Here. Ready? And we put it in here.
Yellow. Yellow.
Where'd the egg go?
Okay.
Now we let the egg sit in there for a bit, and then we'll give you another egg. And we'll get this paint stuff in a second here. Okay, now we're going to take some of this red stuff. Let's see, dab it off a bit. You want to do that? Good job.
Okay. Okay, it's okay.
What about over here? Right here? If you want to get some other colors, you can. And can Mama help? Watch. There you go. Is that one all done? We'll pop it into the yellow and just see what happens. Okay, here's another egg. Here, let Mama pop a couple in here. Are you coloring on the egg?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Purple.
Yeah? Now what do you want to do with it? Very beautiful.
This color. The egg.
Yeah, is that an egg?
All done.
All done with that?
Get some more. There you go.
There you go.
More.
More?
Thank you.
Yeah, get whatever color you want. It's beautiful. She wiped it off on the thing. That's adorable. Yeah, let's bring it away from her shirt a little bit.
Wow. Mama. Mama.
How long I have to stay in here for?
5 minutes. I'm sure if that's just, you want a really vibrant color. Very pretty, Audrey. You want another egg? I'm gonna go get a dish, or not a dish towel. You know what I mean, like a paper towel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you, I guess you can just sit that one to dry. Here's another egg. Oh, you're all done with that one? Thank you. You want this one?